Hey guys, it's Dave again from Absolute Car Guys. So today what I'm going to show you is how to change the puddle lights on a BMW E60. Now, I'm going to guess this is very similar on other models, other years, 3 Series, 7 Series. I bet they're all pretty close to the same. So if you don't know what puddle lights are, when you open the doors, there's a light that shines on the ground right here. So I've already done this front door with the upgraded light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lights off real quick and I'll show you the difference. And I'll show you how to take it from this, which is the common one that you'll see here in a minute, to the cool one that says BMW up here. It's a very easy mod. Anyone could do it. Literally, I just did it with my fingers and no tools. And the lights I think I got on Amazon for $20. So hold on a minute. I'll turn the lights off. I'll show you the before and after. And I'll show you what you're looking at. Okay, so here's the generic before. Just kind of a light on the ground. You can see it right here. It's kind of nothing. You can see it moving with the car. I mean, it's a nice light to get in and out, but that's it. So what you do is you change it out and you change it to this. Oh yeah, now we're talking. That's right. And we're going to do this on both sides, front and back. I mean, look how nice that looks. Look how pronounced it is. Makes everything look nice. So here you go. This is the after. This is the before. Almost nothing. All right, guys. So this is the actual light. I don't know if the camera will get it, but this is a light. It's got a couple little catches here where it pops in the bottom of the door. It's got a very simple plug. And actually what happens is the light comes out of here and there's a little projector thing right here that actually puts the BMW on the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one real quick. Like I said, this is literally under here, but on the inside. You just push it back, pop one end, and this will slide right out. So I'm going to go ahead and do it real quick, and that way you can see the finished product for both of these doors. Let me get you in close and show you what I'm talking about. So this right here is your puddle light. It's at the bottom of your door, which is right here. So I'm laying on the ground. Your puddle light, you'll be able to stick something up under this edge. Now I use my fingernail. Can't say I recommend that. So you might want to get just like a little screwdriver or something and be gentle on your interior here. So what you do is you just pop it down, slide it, comes right out. You can see has this on this end, and it just has a connector. The connector you just squeeze here and pop out. Now, when you put the new one in, which is what this is, you just slide it up in there, snap it back in place, and ta-da, it's working. So that just shows you exactly where it's at. Right in this area, the bottom of your door. I know it's weird angle because I'm laying on the floor. All right, guys, here's the final product. See how the back door looks. See how the front door looks. I mean, it's definitely dramatic getting in there. It looks really good. I mean, just kind of makes a statement in how it looks. So there you go, guys. You guys can do these. They're easy. They look good. Once again, I got them off Amazon. It's an easy DIY. Look good at night. So once again, this is Dave from Absolute Car Guys. Thanks for watching.